and we've got TikTok up and running. So I'm going to let you scroll through this. So I actually can't hear anything. Alison, can you hear anything?
I can, yeah.
Yeah, how's the sound?
It's good. I can hear you, but I can also hear this very clearly.
Awesome. And what are you seeing?
They're coming through.
Okay, cool. So I can't, so...
Oh, real?
No. And are you seeing anything?
Yeah, I can see the, I suppose it's displayed, the glasses.
Okay, because I can't see anything on your glasses, so I guess...
Oh, cool.
Pretty cool.
You can see on my phone, on the phone though.
I can see your phone. Alright, Eva, what? You can take them off if you're down. What are your thoughts on our smart glasses?
It looks exactly the same look to it. However, I can imagine with the projection it may have to be like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool,
Okay.
yeah.
Well, thanks for your feedback, Joe. Thanks for
No
your time.
worries.
Enjoy Sydney.
Cheers.